Assembling a silicon carbide shell and tube heat exchanger. We start by assembling the baffle system, consisting of the baffles, tie rods, and spacers. The baffle system is then inserted into the shell. The silicon carbide tubes follow. The first PFA-lined tube sheet is placed at one end. Then, the first O-rings are added to each tube and the intermediate tube sheet follows. After adding the cartridges and second O-ring on each tube, finally, the second PFA-lined tube sheet is placed on the tubes. The header is mounted to the tube sheets with the corresponding bolts, nuts, and washers.